Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So our next video is on networking and it's from Try Hackney's Pro Security Network Fundamentals topic. So what are networks? We'll delve into this from the very basics. So networks are simply things which are connected. For example, your friendship circle. You all are connected because you have similar interest, your hobbies are similar, your skills and sort of interests are similar, right? So network can be found in all walks of life. A city's public transportation system, that's also a network. And infrastructure such as national power grid for electricity, meeting and greeting your neighbors, postal systems for sending parcels and letters. But more specifically, in computing, networking is the same idea just dispersed to technological devices. So take your phone as an example. The reason that you have is to access things. So we'll cover how these devices communicate with each other and the rules that they follow, right? So in computing, a network can be formed by anywhere from two devices to billions. If you have two devices, then also you can form a network. These devices include everything from your laptop and phone to security cameras, traffic lights, and even farming. Networks are integrated into our everyday life, be it gathering data for the weather, delivering electricity to homes, or even determining who has right of way at the road. Because networks are so embedded in the modern day, networking is an essential concept to grasp in cybersecurity. So take the diagram. Bob and Jim have formed their network. We'll come on to this later on. So networks come in all shapes and sizes, which is something that we will also come on to discuss throughout this module. Okay. What is the key term for devices that are connected together? That is network. Next, what is internet? Now that we have learned what a network is, how one is defined in computing. Network means devices connected to each other. Let's explore what is internet. It is a one giant network that consists of many small networks within itself. A network within network is called as internet. That could be an answer. Using our example from the previous task, let's now imagine Alice made some new friends. Alice also made some new friends, Zan and Toby, that she wants to introduce to Bob and Jim. The problem is that she's the only person who speaks the same language as Zan as Toby. So she will have to be the messenger, right? Because Alice can speak both languages, they can communicate to one another through Alice. So this forms a network. The first iteration of the internet was within the ARPANET project. This project was funded by US Defense Department and was first documented network in action. However, it wasn't until this when the internet as we know it was invented by Tim Berners-Lee by the creation of WWW, World Wide Web. It was on it wasn't until this point that the internet started to be used as a repository for storing and sharing information just like it is today. So let's relate Alice's network of friends to computing devices. The internet looks like a much larger version of this some sort of diagram. So this is network 1, this is network 2, this is network 3, and this is the internet. So the internet is made up of many small networks which are joined together. And these are called private networks, where network connecting these small networks are called as public networks, or that is internet. So to recap, a network can be a private network हो सकता है और एक public network हो सकता है, right? So devices will use a set of labels to identify themselves on a network, which we will come onto in the task below. Tim Berners spellings, I guess Tim Berners-Lee was the answer. Tim Berners-Lee, yeah. Moving next, that is identifying devices on the network. To communicate and maintain order, devices must be both identifying and they must be identifiable on the network, right? So what use it is it if you don't know whom you're talking to at the end of the day, right? So devices on a network are very similar to humans in fact that we have two ways of being identified. We have our names and we have our fingerprints, right? Now we can change our name through deed poll. But we can't however change our fingerprints. है ना, हमारे पास हमारा नाम है और हमारे पास हमारे fingerprints है. Fingerprints are births from our birth, right? So we can change our name though, but we cannot change our fingerprints. Every human has an individual set of fingerprints, which means that if they change their name, there is still an identity behind them. Devices have the same thing. They have two means of identification, with one being permeable, right? They have an IP address and they have a MAC address. Think of it as being similar to a serial number, right? An IP address, that is Internet Protocol address, that can be used as a way of identifying a host on a network for a period of time, right? On a network, अगर आपको किसी device को या किसी host को identify करना है, you can use that IP. Where that IP can be associated with another device without the IP address changing. First, let's split up precisely what an IP address is in this diagram. So this is the octet 1, this is octet 2, this is octet 3, and this is octet 4. IP addresses can be of two types, IPv4 and IPv6, right? So IP is a set of numbers which are divided into 4 octets. Value of each will summarize to be the IP address of that device on the network. This number is calculated through a technique that is known as IP addressing and subnetting. But that is for another day. We'll do that also. What's important to understand here is that IP can change from device to device, but cannot be active simultaneously more than once within the same network. एक ही network पे आपका IP active नहीं हो सकता. It can change from device to device. ठीक है? IP address follows a standard known as protocol. They are the backbone of networking and force many devices to communicate in the same language, which is something that will come into another time. However, we should recall that devices can be on both a private and a public network. Depending on where they are, will determine what type of IP it has. कि अगर वो डिवाइस प्राइवेट नेटवर्क में है या फिर अगर वो डिवाइस पब्लिक नेटवर्क में है तो उसका IP भी उसी तरीके से होगा, right? A public address is used to identify that device on the internet, right? क्योंकि अगर वो public IP address है तो मतलब वो public network में है. Whereas private is used to identify that device among other devices. Take the table and screenshot as an example. We have two devices on a private network. हमारे पास दो devices है एक private network में. This is on a private network desktop KJ and this is on a private network, right? This is private network and this is also on private. These two will be used to use their private IP to communicate with each other. However, any data sent to the internet from either of these devices will be identified by the same public IP address. They are given by your ISP at a monthly fee bill. So, अगर ये आपका public होगा, जब ये दोनों devices जब public internet के साथ मतलब internet पे कोई भी data share करेंगे तो ये दोनों same public IP use करेंगे, which is provided by your ISP. As more and more devices become connected, it is increasingly harder to get a public address that is not already in use. So Cisco, an industry giant, estimated there would be approximately this billion devices which are connected to internet by 2021. So enter IP address versions. So far we have only discussed one version, that is IPv4, which uses numbering system of this. So you can see why there is such a shortage. This is a new iteration to help tackle this issue क्योंकि devices ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं and to communicate to internet we need a public IP address जो कि is not in use, right? But that is tough. Then we invented IPv6. Although it is seemingly more daunting, it boasts a few benefits. This supports 2 power 128 IP addresses and more efficient due to new methodologies. So screenshot is this. This is IPv6 and this is IPv4. Okay, so that is it. We'll cover the part that is from MAC address and this whole next lecture in the next video. Do subscribe the channel too for more such videos as we post videos every day at 1:30 AM IST timing. Thank you for watching. Bye. So in this video we covered networking, internet and identifying devices on a network. Okay, then see ya. Bye bye.